students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing really well. So students, today we are going to start chapter name Fun with Alphabets. You know what is alphabets? Yes, the A, B, C, D you study in class KG, nursery, that are called alphabets. Okay, so let's start and see what is there in this chapter. There are 26 letters in the English alphabets. So all the letters like A to Z, whatever you read, A, B, C, D, all these letters are in number 26. Okay, they are 26 in number. These letters can be written in two cases, capital letter and small letter. So you have already know about this, that you can write the alphabets in capital letter and small letter as well. So read these letters. Okay, here are the letters. You can read them: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. When written like this, they are called capital letters. When you write these letters in that form, then these letters are called capital letters. Okay. Now read these letters. Okay, there is small letters also, and you can see that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. When written like this, they are called small letters. Okay. Now, do you know? For arranging words in alphabetical order, we first look at their first letter. Okay, so if we have name of, if you're in your class, you're so many students that are studying there, so teacher arrange your names according to your alphabet, your first alphabet. Okay, so this alphabetical order, we arrange everything in the alphabetical order. Okay, then we arrange them as per the order of these letters in the alphabet. Okay, so alphabetical order, what does alphabetical order means? It means when you arrange alphabets, when you arrange the name of each and every person according to their first alphabet, then this order is called alphabetical order. Okay, now example: Ram, Jia, Neha, Aman, Dhruv. So there are some name given in this example: Ram, Jia, Neha, Aman, and Dhruv. So as we know that our first alphabetical letter is A. So first we write down the name of Aman, okay, because it starts with alphabet A. Now the next alphabet is, there is no B, no C, and D. D for Dhruv. Okay, so then we write down the name of that kid whose name starts with the alphabet D. Now then after that, Jia, Neha, and Ram. Okay, so in this, when you write the name according to the first alphabet, so this order is known as alphabetical order. Now we will do the assessment zone. Okay, you have to write down the missing capital letters in it. Write the missing capital letters. Okay, there is A written in it, and then there is around 6 or 7 gaps, and then after that they have written I. Okay, for example, after A you have to write B, then after B you have to write C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So I is already written, then this sequence is completed here. After that you have to write down M. After M you have to write down N, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, and then U. Okay, so like that you have to complete the rest of the part. Now write the missing small letters. Yeah, now in this box you have to write down the small letters. Okay, after B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, so like that you have to fill the rest of the parts also. Now C, arrange the name of these animals in alphabetical order. Now you have to arrange these animals in alphabetical orders. First of all you have to find out which letter comes first. Okay, so as you can see, there is dog, cow, lion, tiger, horse, giraffe, zebra, bear, and elephant. So what is the first letter? It's A. Then after that B. So is there any name which start with B? Yes, it's bear. Okay. Now first in first column you have to write down bear, A, B, then after B is C. Okay, so the next name is start with C. So C for cow. Okay, then after that in number 3, D for dog. Then there is E for elephant. A, B, C, D. There is no name started with A. Then after that B for bear, C for cow, D for dog. Okay, now after that you have to complete the rest of the part. Find out the letter comes after E and then write down that name started with that letter in the column 5. Okay. Now you begin your name and surname with capital letter. The rest of the letter in your name and surname are small letters. Okay. So whenever you write down your name, you have to write down first letter in capital letters. Okay. If your name is Manav, so you have to write down M in big letter and the rest of the part of your name is written in small letters. Okay. Examples: Suman, Rani, Rakesh Sharma, etc. I am Tanu Singh. So here Tanu Singh, in Tanu Singh, his name starts with T, alphabet T, which is written in capital letter. Okay. And Singh is her surname. So it's also start with capital letter S. Okay. Now I am Ajay Kumar. Now Ajay Kumar, Ajay starts with A alphabet is written in capital letter and Kumar K is also written in capital letter and the rest of the name alphabets are written in small letters. The name of place begin with capital letters. Okay. Delhi and Agra. The name of the days and month also begin with capital letters. Okay. So days and name of the days and month also starts with the capital letter. Okay. It's Sunday S, Monday M, Tuesday T, Wednesday W, January J, February F, March M, and April A. As you can see that all that blue letters or that letters are in blue colors are all capital letters, and when they are written it means it starts the word. Okay. So when you write down anyone's name or any place name, then you have to start it with the capital letters. Now the names of festivals also begin with the capital letter. Okay. Capital letter, it is not only for the name and places, not for only for the month and the days, it's also for the festival. Okay. Diwali, Holi and Eid. As you can see that every word start with the capital letter. Okay. Now the assessment zone. Fill in the blanks. Okay. You have to do this at your own because in this you have to fill your own details, like my name is, my father name is Mr., my mother name is Mrs., my class teacher name is Mr. or Mrs., I live in, my birthday falls in, and my favorite festival is. Okay. Now E. Unscramble the jumbled word correctly and write the first letter in capital. One is done for you. So these are unscrambled word or jumbled word. You have to unscramble these words. Okay. And write the correct spelling of these words. So on one number is written UDASNY and it becomes Sunday. And if you write down Sunday, the first letter will be a capital letter. Okay. In number 2, it's USEATDY. Okay, it's Tuesday. TUESDAY, Tuesday. Okay. In that you have to write down T as in capital letters. Start the name with the capital letters. Vowels. There are 5 special letters in English alphabet. So there are 5 special letters in English alphabet. What are they? They are A, E, I, O and U. These letters are called vowels. Okay. So as you can see on the screen, A, E, I, O, U. These are the special letters of the English alphabet. Okay. Now all the other letters are called consonant. When we take out these alphabets from the 26 alphabets, 5 alphabets when we take out, then rest of the 21 letters are called consonants. Okay, are called consonants. Okay. The alphabet, vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we have taken out our 5 alphabets, our 5 special alphabets. Rest of the parts are consonant. Look at the consonant: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. Now the assessment zone. Circle the word that begins with a vowel. Okay. So you have to circle those words which starts from the letter or from the alphabet, which is, as you know that what are vowels, we have 5 vowels. Okay. So whatever the word starts with the vowels, you have to circle them. Like on in first row you can see that egg, E. So E is a vowel, you have to circle this. Okay. Now then book, shoe, umbrella. Yes, umbrella is also starts with vowels, so it, you have to circle it. Now horse, pen, house, apple. Okay, apple, A is also an vowel, you have to circle it again. Just like that, you have to circle all the vowels, all the words start with the vowel. Okay. Now G, fill in the blanks, fill in the vowel to complete each word. Okay. Now in this question you have to fill the alphabets which are vowels. Okay, vowels. You know what is this? Number 1 is ain't. You have to write down A in the box. A. Now the next one is arrow. A double R O W, arrow. The third one is owl. O W L, owl. You know what is the fourth picture is? Yes, it's a car. The next picture is egg, and the next picture is iron. This is utensils. Okay, and the eagle. You have to write down, you have to fill, what do you have to fill in this box? You need to fill this box with vowels only. Okay, no other consonant is going to be filled in these boxes. You just need to fill the vowels. Okay. Now my body parts. Look at the different part of our body and fill in the letter to complete the words. Okay, now here you have to write down the alphabets according to you can see the body parts and then find out what the body part is and what is the spelling, and write down the spelling or complete the spellings, right? Just like first one is I, E Y E I. Okay, the next one is hair, H A I R, hair. Ear, E A R, ear. N O S E, nose. H E A D, head. Now come to the next is chin, C H I N, chin. C H I N, chin. Okay. Below the nose there is mouth, M O U T H, M O U T H, mouth. Now the hand, H A N D, hand. Cheeks, C H E K S, cheeks. T O E S, toes, and L E G, leg. Okay, hopefully you have filled all the alphabets in this boxes, and whatever is left you have to do it yourself, so that you will come to know whether you understand this chapter or not. Okay, and hopefully you understand the chapter well, because there is nothing much in this chapter. You all know all the alphabets and how to arrange the words in an alphabetical order, how to arrange words, names, places in an alphabetical order. You have to write down whatever the name of a person, place or thing, or the days names, or the name of a particular festival if you are talking about, then you have to write down those particular name with the first letter which is in capital letter. You have to write down the first letter in capital alphabets, and then after that the rest of the alphabets will be written in small letters. Okay, so this is the chapter in which you have learned about the vowel and the consonants. you learn about how, when you have to write down the capital letter and when you have to write down the small letters. Okay, and hopefully you enjoyed the chapter.